it's your boy Dan Man here, back at it again with another vlog. And today we're talking about but make sure to know the truth. Hey guys, Banana Boy here. So anyways guys, if you don't know already, this is the 10th video I think on this YouTube channel. Anyways, today is July 1st. Big anniversary for Canada. 151 years old. 52. I had quail eggs in the incubator for a long time already.
Guys, I flour my work surface.
The reason I didn't mention about this is because I didn't want to transform into a whole structure and betray my fellow banana squad, which is
As you may know, I'm not a professional quail raiser guy, so if you want to know more information about quail, I would suggest you to check out the YouTube channel Slightly Rednecked. So please check out his channel. Chris, very nice guy, very informative.
I've transformed to a homestead channel. But anyways, all things aside, I have quail eggs in the incubator. They've been sitting there for 11 days, so June 20th was the day when I put them in the incubator and when I got them. So, the breed that I have are mixed Japanese quail, which are a type of breed for meat and eggs, because there's two types of quail. The two biggest types of quails are the farmer-ish meat and egg production quail and the indoor pet quail. We put them in a cage and but they've been sitting there for 11 days. So in 11 days counting the day when I put them. Does that make sense? And in 4 days I have to put them off my rack onto the floor and stop flipping them. So basically, I've been flipping them every single day, 6 times a day, every 4 hours. Because who wants to flip eggs at night? Am I right? The reason why I flip those eggs is because the yolk of the egg has to be always somewhere in the center-ish and not touching the outer part of the egg, because if it touches the outer part of the egg, it's gonna die. Because one, it touches the membrane, sticks to the membrane, and it's not gonna develop very well, so it's gonna just die. And just recently I've added a cup of water to raise up the humidity. Over here in South Ontario, we already have a crap ton of humidity because we have a bunch of freaking lakes around, which makes humidity. So right now our humidity is about 50%, which is best for the quail. But since humidity rises up, it's about 40-ish% inside the incubator. So I've put a cup of water. And then on lockdown, when I stop flipping those eggs, when they start hatching, I'm going to put a large bowl of water because there needs to be 75% humidity inside of the incubator, because it needs to soften up the shell for the birds to peck. So yeah, I went to Chatham to get those eggs, which is like very far from me. But for the apocalypse, it's worth it. And I've noticed they're a little bit bigger than the store-bought ones, because the store is not making good produce. Now, if you're wondering what type of incubator I have the best type of incubator, because me and my dad, we made it ourselves. So we bought some styrofoam, we bought some material, we bought a thermoregulator, we bought a lamp, and we made a tray. So basically, we made everything that is needed in an incubator, because it's more interesting that way. I keep my eggs at around 37.7 to about 37.5 degrees. We also have some ventilation, 4 holes inside the incubator to ventilate, because eggs breathe. So if you don't know, eggs breathe. I think you should know that eggs breathe, because eggs breathe. They're alive. All of the eggs have pores inside of them, and the chicks breathe through those pores and get oxygen from it. So yeah, that's basically the incubator. I'm going to be making a video on when they just start hatching, because that's the most interesting part of this videos. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, subscribe, join the BB squad, do some splits, and I'll keep you notified. Oh, just one more thing. If you think that they won't hatch, a couple of days ago I've actually candled them to see what's inside of those eggs, and in most of them there I saw life inside. It's 100% certain that at least like 5 of them will hatch. So it's certain that something will hatch, and I think the majority will. So yeah, that's basically it for today. Hope you enjoyed.